Hello and welcome. I purchased it some time ago new Gigabyte board and wonder could roll back the BIOS update. Also this saving BIOS feature is removed from a newer version. Is the B660DM board had an F5 version from a box that had a saving BIOS function? When you save BIOS the file name should be like the old BIOS.F5 number from the BIOS version. Then we could use this BIOS file. What about downgrading or rolling back to the previous version? Now this board has BIOS version F21 installed, let's roll back to the F6 version. But first, we need a USB stick and a copy of the BIOS files. Download the version you want to downgrade. Then extract files and copy all of the zip files to a FAT32 formatted USB stick. Disconnect all other USB sticks or USB hard drivers from the computer. Next boot from the USB stick to get the UEFI shell. Then in shell type FS0 and flash.nsh which starts downgrade process. Then downgrade process continues. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.